Oh yeah, it's ready. Thank you for watching today, and make sure to comment and let me know what you like to barbecue or what you like to eat or what you would like to see me cook for you, because patience is virtue and I got that virtue. Don't forget to like my channel and subscribe below and check out more of my videos.